Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, all about hiking and camping and adventures. And I've been waiting for a little while. I ordered myself a brand new higher quality tent. I used to have a really cheap little tent. It leaked, it did everything really bad. We all make those mistakes, I suppose, at some stage. But anyway, a good friend of mine who is a real camping guru, he suggested I buy a MSR tent. In fact, a two-man tent, because me and my wife both go out camping and doing multiple day hikes. And he suggested to get myself a Hubba Bubba. And I think that's the coolest name for a tent. Anyway, it just turned up. Well, I'm hoping it's the tent. I'm just going to open the box and do a little bit of a, unboxing. I don't normally do things like this, but after all, it's a Hubba Bubba tent, so we suppose it's a bit special. So let's try and get this open. And they've put the invoice right over the crack, so I can't cut it. Here we go. So over the next yep, it's definitely the tent, an MSR, and as I said, it's a two-man Hubba Bubba. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the little label on it. So it's a two-man Hubba Bubba. It's quite light for a two-man tent, and they tell me these tents are just absolutely amazing. So we got a trip coming up in a few weeks' time. We're going to take the tent out, give it its maiden run, and I'll make a little review video in upcoming episodes and let you know what I think of this tent. And if it's not good, I'm going to get onto my hiking guru and let him have it. In fact, besides all the hiking videos we got planned over the next few months, I'm going to, starting with this, I will start doing some gear reviews, and we're going to look at some pillows. I've had a hard time finding the perfect pillow for me for hiking, backpacking. I'm a side sleeper, and I've spent a small fortune on pillows. So coming up soon is I'll grab all those pillows and let you know what I think of all of them. Honest opinion. It won't be biased in any way. And well, I'm thinking, I've just noticed I got beside me here. It just turned up yesterday. I really love my coffee, and I like really good quality coffee. And I was reading a lot about this little machine, and it's actually a proper espresso machine to take with me on the trails. So I'm going to give this a go on our next trip away too, and I'll give you a review on that. It's made by, it's a Nanopresso. So a lot of people are telling me that closest thing to getting the espresso at my local coffee shop. So if I can wake up in the morning and have a real coffee, I'm going to be the happiest man in the world. So I'll let you know what this is all about in upcoming videos as well. So lots of reviews coming up, so keep tuned to the station. And like I said too, we've got some incredible hikes coming up, multi-day hikes coming up soon. We got Three Capes, Tasmania. We've got Carnarvon Gorge in Queensland, and we've got a few other multi-day hikes coming up soon as well. So stay tuned to my channel, and coming up soon, I'll let you know all about this MSR tent, see what I think of it, and we'll see you then. So take care of yourself, enjoy your hiking, get out there and enjoy all your hikes. Actually, before I go, another thing I'm thinking about, I'm quite old, I'm 68, and before preparing to go on these multi-day hikes, I have another good friend. I'm lucky, I'm blessed with all these wonderful friends. I got another friend who's a professional sports sort of exercise person, world-class sort of exercise person. She's been involved with high-level elite sports people. Anyway, she's been teaching me some exercises to prepare to start carrying my backpack and going on multi-day hikes. So I'll do a video on some of those exercises soon as well, because I'm sure I'm not the only old hiker out there, and probably could be helpful as well. So anyway, I'm starting to waffle on. Let's get out of here. I'll see you again in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.